Hello everyone, welcome to the Xoro guide for unreconciling your bank transactions. So typically this is in a scenario where you're trying to edit a transaction and you run into the message where it's been reconciled. So you actually need to unreconcile the transaction before you continue editing it. So just as a warning that if the transactions have been reconciled, usually that means that it's been accounted for. So you want to make sure that you're very careful before you unreconcile it, and just make sure you have the right authorizations before doing so. So for example, let's say I open up this bank deposit here, or sorry, this customer deposit, and I notice the R on the top here that says reconciled. So for example, if I try to save or edit this transaction, it's going to not allow me because it's going to say it's reconciled. So in order to unreconcile it, I can go to the bank statement center, and what I can do is pull up all the bank transactions in the system by selecting bank statement detail. And what I'm going to do is perform a search for the amount, and I'm going to search for the same amount that the bank deposit's for. So 3541. Let's do that. So two transactions actually show up. So what I can do is just click on this reconciled button here until I find the bank deposit that it's reconciled to. So I'm actually looking for CD3 with all the zeros in between. So this isn't the one. So let's try the second one. Click on this. So CD3 is right here. So this is actually, this bottom one is actually what that customer deposit is reconciled to. So in order to unreconcile it, I click on this, and then I click on unreconcile, and now it's unreconciled. So now actually when I double click this customer deposit, there's no R over here, so I'm free to edit this customer deposit. So I can always edit it, make changes, and then re-reconcile it as well. So that's basically how you unreconcile a transaction in the system.